Guys, this is OPTIMER where profitable strategies are being shared. Now, in this particular video, I will show you a profitable strategy you can use to trade 1000 index profitably. Now, in this particular strategy, only one indicator is used. Only one indicator is used in this particular strategy, and only buying signals is what you will be focusing on. Only buying signals, how to cash buy signals, profitable buy signals. Do you understand? Pay attention, focus on this video, and you will understand this particular strategy, this particular profitable strategy that will change your trading history. If you have been losing your trade, I want you to understand, to focus and understand this particular video, and your trading history will change. This is Boon 1000, only buying opportunities, only buying signals is what we will be focusing on. Now, as I said, only one indicator is what is required in this particular strategy, trading 1000 index. Now, this is what I want you to understand. Whenever you see this crossing in the side of this, this is indicator, MACD indicator. Now, whenever you see this crossing here, that is the place I want you to do what? To pay attention. Whenever you see the crossing here, then you are ready to make your buy entry. Whenever you see that crossing, now this is direction of the crossing, from up downward. The crossing is from up downward. Look at it. Look at the movement of the arrow from up downward. Whenever you notice that crossing, guys, that is massive opportunity. That is profitable opportunity for you to do what? For you not to miss. That is profitable opportunity you cannot afford to miss. Now, whenever you see the crossing, you make your buy entry immediately. Whenever you see the crossing, you make your what? Buy entry immediately. This is the point. This is the crossing point here. Now, this is the particular place I want you to do what? To make your buy entry immediately. Now, the second point is where to put your stop loss. Now, your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. We are buying. This is buying opportunities. We are revealing. I am revealing to you buying opportunities, how to detect buying opportunities on 1000 index. Now, whenever you notice this crossing here, the next thing for you to do what is to make your buy entry immediately. Now, where to put your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. Your stop loss should be what? At the previous higher high. Now, let's see where this is the crossing here. This is the crossing, and this is where the candlestick occurs. So that is the place you need to do what? This is where you need to do what? Make your buy position immediately. Your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. Your stop loss should be what? At the previous higher high. That's where your stop loss what should be. Now let's watch and see how the market play out. Let's see now this is where your entry is. Observe it very well. This is where your entry is, right? And your stop loss is here. So this is where your stop loss is. Do you understand? And this is excess profit. As easy as that. Excess profit, as easy as that. Now we move. You see it? The market pays very, very well. Look at it. The market pays very, very well. Look at the massive profits. Look at from here. Look at massive profits. This is Boon 1000, and you know what it means to get is that entry for boon 1000. Do you understand? Just in just few moments, your account will be reading in hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. So this is boon 1000. How to buy boon 1000? You see, it is massive profit. Massive what profit? Now let's proceed. Now here is another opportunity for you. Here is what another opportunity for you. This is crossing here. This is crossing here. Do you understand? So you trace it up. You trace it up. This is a crossing here. So this is why you need to make your what entry. You need to do what? Make your entry here. Your entry should be here. Then your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. Your stop loss should be here, which is what? The previous higher high. Do you understand? Your stop loss is here. You make your entry here, and this is what? Excess profit. As easy as that. That's what? As easy as that. This particular strategy pays very, very well. Study it, understand it, apply it, and enjoy massive, massive profits. Massive what? Profit. Now, this is another opportunity for you here. Look at this. This is what? Another opportunity for you. Here is another opportunity. You see it? You make your entry here. Let me show you. Let me show you. You make your entry here. You make your entry here. Your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. This is where your stop loss should be. This is your stop loss. You make your entry here, and all these are the profits. Do you understand? This particular strategy pays very, very, very well. Do you understand? Just study it, understand it, apply it, and enjoy your trade. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Do you understand? Share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.